built by Davy brothers of Sheffield in 1905 for Charles Cammell, who owned an armour plate rolling mill in Grimesthorpe. The engine ran at Cammell's mill for almost 50 years before being moved to the Riverdon Steel Works, which is how the engine got its name. There is a piece of armour plate on display in the corner of the engine room that will give you an idea of what the rolling mill produced. At the Riverdon Works, the engine continued to drive a heavy plate mill, producing products like stainless steel reactor shields and steel plates for North Sea oil rigs. In 1978, the engine was retired and transferred to the museum, where it's been ever since. Davy Brothers built 4 engines to power steel rolling mills. A second engine went to John Brown's Atlas Works, a third to the Japanese government, and the 4th engine, we don't know where it went. What you're about to witness is a short demonstration of the power of this huge machine. The boiler that feeds the Riverdon engine has been building up steam this morning. Our engineer first checks the pressure gauge to make sure it's up to the mark. Then he opens the valve that releases the steam. You should see some steam escaping around the 3 giant pistons. The bell-like sound you can hear is a huge drive wheel to your right being driven by the crankshaft gear. As the pistons begin to move up and down, the crank starts to turn. The engine will run slowly at first, building up speed until it runs briefly at full speed. You'll notice that the engine runs both ways, forwards and in reverse. That's because the rolling mill has to move backwards and forwards to roll out the steel plate, a bit like making pastry.
There we go.